Good morning, guys. Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. We are going to Cape Town. Now, the thing about it is that I still need to pack. I have about, I think, 15 minutes left to pack. I've basically laid out the clothes, but I haven't yet laid out the outfits, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm trying to do that, and then after packing I need to go grab a few other things. So that's why I want to at least have my packing done, so that by the time I leave and come back, I can just grab my bags and go. So the flight is only at 4. The flight is only at 4, but we're trying to get to the airport early. So let's get packing.
Sometimes and then you don't. You thought I would stay, well then I won't. Don't wanna keep you around anymore. You're no longer the light I used to know. You want your life to be an open door. Don't wanna tie yourself down, afraid of
I'm finding packing because Cape Town is cold. The weather's not the best. It's raining right now, and my winter fashion sucks. My fashion is not the best in general. I don't consider myself a fashion person, but like winter,
like those pretty people disappear in smoke. You're no longer the light I used to know. I can't help what I'm feeling. You think we're okay, baby?
a quick haul of what I got from Clicks yesterday. I needed a few makeup products because I'm in a rush. Okay, so I started off with, I got this was a free gift. When you buy any items from Maybelline for more than 400, you get this, and I really wanted this because of this palette. I thought this palette was really cute, and I kind of needed a palette to travel with, and I love me a nude palette. So this is the nudes palette, and then I got it for free along with this tattoo eyeliner. It's a red eyeliner. I don't see myself trying it out soon, but it would be nice to have. I love a colored under eye, especially a blue under eye. It's not a Vicky makeup look if I didn't do a blue under eye. So I'm not sure about the red. However, the products that I got that were more than 400, I got the Fit Me setting spray. I've never tried this. And then I got the lifted gloss as well. Now with regards to the lifted gloss, I used to have one. It disappeared. I don't know where it is. And then I got a setting powder, pressed setting powder. This is lighter than my skin tone. I figured that I'm going to use this to brighten up my under eye. And then I saw that Yardley has a banana powder, so I also got that to try out. And yeah, I'm almost done. I'm literally left, let me check my list. I'm left with jewelry, toiletries, makeup, chargers and gadgets, and the bags that I'm going to wear. So I'm almost done, but I need to get rushing. Okay, rushing.
You brought this on us, and you don't know how deep it cuts. No, you don't know how much it hurts. You can't hold on. It's slipping through your hands, and I won't try to understand. It's all gone, under your command,
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm solo. Watching reruns of the same shows, almost every party I'm a no-show.
We made it to the airport, and I made it on time. Yes, there's no what is this, objections, so clearly I made it on time.
I'm not gonna say anything.
You wanna say hi to the camera? Why not? Okay, she says not yet. Apparently the pancakes are amazing. So we had food. We're at the lounge now. We had like a proper meal, and now we're having like a sort of dessert. So I have a waffle, pancakes, and then like a berry compote. And I also took a cup of like mousse as well with a soda. Click. So yeah.
Even with green lights, I don't go. Never been sure, no, I don't know. How does everybody has to let go of the egos? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood.
Hi. Can we have a refill, please, for bowels?
Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me.
Seatbelt fastened whenever the overhead fasten seatbelt signs
If
are
you would
illuminated.
show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah. I spent so much time daydreaming, so now I don't know how I'm feeling. Don't know who's the real me.
Day after day, I want you, baby. Night after night, I need you.
Hey guys, so we have arrived. The apartment is so cute, but the weather is so bad. So I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. We're going to start off in the bathroom. So this is this is our bathroom over here, and we have like a big bathtub, and we have the shower and bathtub situation. We have a little dining area over here. We have a whole kitchen. This is the kitchen. We have a microwave. We have a coffee station and everything, and the stove. And then this is the little lounge area. It's very, very cute. Over here. And then this is our bed. So the nice thing about our bed, this is for lovers. My sister, this is for lovers. It has a whole mirror. This is for lovers. We have a lot of like views, and I imagine this to be stunning, absolutely stunning during the day. But yeah, this is the view outside. Look at the weather, guys. It is so bad. It better act right tomorrow. One thing about it, it better act right tomorrow. I highly recommend. Good morning. It's wine farm day. But we're gonna start off with some breakfast. So I'm gonna start off with some breakfast. We just finished getting ready. I'm wearing a dress. Let me actually show you guys my dress. This is my dress, right? It's open back, open slit, whatever. But I have to put a coat on it because it's cold. But it's currently, it's not raining. Maleni? It's not raining, as you guys can see. It's very cloudy. It's very cloudy, but it's not raining. It's a bit windy. But I think my jacket will be fine. I'm hoping my jacket will be fine. We are now gonna go and have breakfast. followed as we were walking. So we started off at Big Leggers, and they didn't have breakfast. Their kitchen was closed, so we decided to come to Egghead. And there was a guy who followed us. That's the person who's just asking me to take a video. But we're at Egghead. We're about to have breakfast. We need to hurry up, otherwise we're gonna be late for our next appointment. Our next appointment is the wine trap. I'm doing the wine trap for the 3rd time, but this time I'm doing a different route, so I know it's gonna be so much fun. So we need to make sure our stomachs are lined so that we can have a fun day. So I'm having a dirty chai with almond milk and Tandani is having rooibos tea. Let's see. Rooibos tea. I think the last time we spoke we had gotten to the restaurant and we had to like swallow our food. We had to sniff it. I don't even think we chewed. And quickly make it to the tram because we were almost late. And now we are here. Which one are you tasting? Oh, which one are you tasting? I mean, the Sauvignon, this one. It's light. Is it nice? It's nice. It's fruity. Like you said. Very tropical. One boy. So we are on the truck going back on the tram. So we had our first wine tasting. The name of this wine farm is called Rickety Bridge, right? Yeah, it's called Rickety Bridge. We had 5. How many wines did we have? 4. We had 2 whites, a Sauvignon Blanc and a Chardonnay, and then the reds were a Pinotage and a Shiraz. So we're gonna go back on the tram. I'm gonna go back on the. We're gonna go to the next wine farm.
Your tractor is already waiting.
They copy that much.
lovely full body acidity with some lovely subtle berries on the nose, vanilla and wild herbs on the palate. And there's something else. Much more structured and complex than the Merlot. Spends 18 months in oak, but the body is so beautifully well-rounded. Smoky, spicy, accompanied by that oakiness coming.
Usually Merlots are not this good. We're on what? We're on 9 now, no? 8.
What count?
Yes.
Counting is for the week.
Counting is for the week.
I just want you to be enjoying the moment with your person. You guys having great laughs and a great time, and you're just happy with your life. That's what I wish for you. I'm not gonna go into career, I'm not gonna go into where you're staying and everything, but just being with someone that makes you happy. I want that for you. I want that for you. I want you to be getting off the truck with someone holding your hand because they don't want you to fall off. Though you're not gonna fall off because we've been going up and down and not falling off. You're not going to do that. It's just there to like catch you. I don't want you to be worrying about my battery and everything. You're gonna worry about everything. Just let loose and be in the moment. Enjoy time with your partner. Have great conversations. I want that for you. It might not be in Cape Town, but it has to be in a destination. And I want it terminal A. I don't want terminal B. I want that for you. And it's gonna happen. Spirit fingers.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily. I'll slip into your dreams tonight.
Stop my intro.
So give me your all. I'll take it to my soul. Let's take that good inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sphere. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you will do anything that I want.
So, number 3.
Is it not 4? It's 4.
It's 3.
We started at that boring one.
Yes.
Oh yes,
It's 3. So at the third place, I'm about to do another. Hi, I'm Vicky. I've had 8 glasses so far. When I ate your thing.
No, we had 3 in the first one, and we had 4.
We had 4 there. There's 2 reds, 2 whites.
Oh yes, 4.
And even now we had 2 reds, 2 whites.
So 8.
So 8. Guys, if you're ever in Cape Town and you need something to do the wine track.
Plus.
The wine track.
And that's on her.
She's gonna have the chocolate, I'm gonna do the cheese, and then we're gonna share it. Don't tell them that we're sharing it. So we just got the boards. This is the cheese, and this is the chocolate. So we decided to both have the white wine.
Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing
This is chocolate.
no.
And this is the thick chocolate. Paired with Sauvignon.
Take it to my soul. Let's take like good inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sphere. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you will do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn.
Are we ready for more?
Ready for more!
Cada día la gracia se termina. Cada día me nace nueva melodía.
My goodness,
que algún día llegaría. Qué alegría pasar el tiempo a tu lado. Qué alegría por haberte encontrado. Soy feliz, siento que todo he ganado. Tengo tantas razones para quererte, cariño, tantas razones para quererte. Tengo tantas razones para quererte, cariño, tantas razones para quererte. Cada día le doy las gracias a esta vida. Cada día me nace nueva melodía.
So we are at our, I think it's the 5th wine estate, and I think this is the end of the wine tram, because after this we're going to get on the bus and then we're going to head on home. So it's been a great day. I don't know how I made it. Wine tram 3, no, Vicky 3, wine tram 0. I've accepted that I'm never going to come off of this thing drunk. That's just how it be sometimes. I'm gonna show you guys the view as I head out. It's just starting to get cold again, and you can kind of tell from the weather that it's going to rain. But at this point I just need a shower and then we'll do it again. Well, repeat.
Yo sabía que algún día llegaría. Tengo tantas razones para quererte, cariño, tantas razones para quererte. Tengo tantas razones para quererte, cariño, tantas razones para quererte. Mi corazón para ofrecerte, para quererte.
And that is a successful day at the wine tram. So we're about to get onto the big bus, which is going to take us all the way to Cape Town. It's raining now, so right on time.
Selection of South African music.
Para quererte, cariño, tantas razones para quererte. Tengo tantas razones para quererte, cariño, tantas razones.
Hello guys, we are fresh and clean and ready for part 2 of the day. You need to brush up? So we are clean, refreshed, ready for part 2 of the night. Huh? No, I don't. Part 2 of the night. I want to show you guys. I did a cute little lippy. Then there's no lights, but I'm gonna show you guys in the bathroom. How cute! And a little blush moment in my brows. They look jagged, but they'll be fine. So yeah, I'm gonna meet up with my friends at a restaurant. It's gonna be for drinks mainly. I'm not necessarily hungry again, but it's probably gonna be drinks. And then tomorrow's my birthday. Period. So we decided to walk. This is something that you wouldn't dream of doing in Joburg.
Listen, you're not even going to CBD in Joburg. What are you going to do there?
So we're taking a walk, guys. It's such a beautiful day. Like, the weather was a bit bad earlier, but right now it's actually quite good. That edge, I wanted to put my phone down and walk.